What? You and me will always be tight. Memory every single day and night. Even when you start to acting like a fool, you know I'm loving every single thing you do.
Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another makeup look for y'all. Alright, so yeah, I'm back. Sorry it took me a little second to get another video up. I did record another look, so there's a chance you'll be watching that one before this one. And I'm about to kick myself in the butt, get this content going for y'all. I had a lot of great ideas I'm about to throw y'all away, so bear with me. It's coming. We're about to get this thing rolling. So today's look is inspired by Nipsey Hussle, rest in peace. It is called The Marathon Continues. So that is my inspiration for today. And if you guys want to see how I got this eye look, then just keep on watching. I'm going to go in with this eyeshadow primer, and it's from Mary Kay. It's called Signature, and it's just a little basic eye primer. Ooh, that's kind of a lot. It's okay. Anyway, first I'm going to take my Morphe 224 brush, and I'm just going to pat this across my lid. I'm going to lay my Reveloutin Concealer down on top of that. So first, I'm going to go in and grab this blue shade right here, and I'm going to pack that into my crease. Let me put y'all on real fast. So I found this thing at Walgreens, and it's to clean my brushes as I'm going. It's one of those like little things, and so say I pick up that color like so. It don't clean them, you know, 100%, but it get it off for right now. So picking up that color, and we're just gonna pack that into our crease. Now going in with my Morphe 431 brush. We're going to go in with this blue right here, and we're just going to tap that over the harsh edge. Okay, now taking my Morphe 506 brush, I'm just going to blend that out. Into this one, and I'm going to take it on a Morphe 433 brush and just blend over that blue. We're just going to switch back and forth and repeat that same process. Now we're going to go back in with that Morphe 506 brush, and we're gonna jump to the Take Me to Brazil palette, and we're gonna go in with this teal color here and just blend out that harsh line now. My 456, I'm gonna go in with that Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm gonna go in with this blue right here and just pack that onto my crease to start darkening it. Take Me to Brazil palette, we're gonna go into this darker blue right here and pop that into the crease as well. Take this dark blue right here and pack that into the crease. Brush I just used to pack that blue, and I'm gonna dab in a little bit of this black. It's not a super black, but it is just enough to add a little more depth, shall I say, to the look. My Reveloutin Concealer, I'm going to take a little bit and apply it to the back of my hand, and now we're going to cut our crease. And I'm going to take the two darkest blues and blend out the edge of my concealer. I'm going to take the James Charles palette, and I'm going to go in with that light shimmery shade, this light blue shimmery shade, and I'm going to pack that in the inner corners of my eye. Wow. When did that happen? With that Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to take that blue and put that in the middle of my eye. Now taking that Juvia's Place palette again and going in with this dark shimmery blue, and I'm just going to pack that on the outer corner. In with my Take Me to Brazil palette with my Morphe 506 brush, and I'm gonna just take the dark blue and a little bit of that black and just blend and make sure there's no harsh edges on the end. Dark blue and a little bit of that black, and just carve out my cut crease just to define it just a little bit more. Take that nice champagne shimmery shade and highlight under my brow bone. And now taking my NYX vinyl eyeliner in black, I'm just going to line my eye. I'm just gonna apply my other lash and I'll be right back. Going in with my Morphe 213 brush, I'm just gonna go in with this blue and this one and just smudge it underneath my eye. Now we're gonna go in with my Juvia's Place The Warrior highlighting palette, and I'm gonna go in with this middle shade here. Just some subtle, just some slight, you know, just a little slight. Okay, a little bit here, just a little slight, and a little here, and a little here. And on my chin, just to finish up the look on. If you guys like this look and you guys want to see more like this in the future, then subscribe and turn on that bell notification button so you know when I post my next video. And thanks for watching, and especially to, you know, my little bit of subscribers I got right now. Shout out to y'all. Thank y'all. Just a side note, but we come in with these looks, I promise. We come in with this video content. I'm going to be doing more than just makeup videos on this channel. Promise it won't just be makeup. Stay tuned. It's coming. Hold your horses. Riding on a tractor. Running. Alright. So, thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.